Hey guys, my name is Ella, and seeing that Samhain is coming up pretty soon, I thought I would make a video about it. So let's first talk about Sabbats and what they are. For a beginner Wiccan, one of the first things that you'll learn about are Sabbats. So in Wicca there are 8 Sabbats, which celebrate seasonal changes throughout the year. There are 4 major Sabbats and 4 minor Sabbats, and the dates depend on if you are in the Northern Hemisphere or if you are in the Southern Hemisphere. The Sabbats are also known as the Wheel of Year. So the most important Sabbat in Wicca is called Samhain. It is celebrated around the 31st of October. It celebrates ancestors and past loved ones. So it is a time of remembering the dead, of remembering our ancestors, and of the balance of life and death. It is a perfect time for divination as the veil is very thin at this moment. So Samhain is also the new year for witches, and it is also the last and third harvest Sabbat. So while it falls on Halloween, it is not actually Halloween. Halloween is more about candy and trick-or-treating, scary movies. So Samhain is a little bit more spiritual and yeah, honoring the ancestors and the past ones. So how can you celebrate Samhain? So a very common theme for celebrating any Sabbat is decorating your altar. So for Samhain, for example, you can add some black candles, some dark purple candles. Some other colors include brown or scarlet. You can add some pumpkins, some seasonal seeds, or you can also go and pick up some leaves from, for example, your park or forest and add those to your altar as well. Seeing that it is a celebration and honoring your ancestors, you can also add a picture of a beloved past one, or also in general, schools of course also honor the dead. Crystals that are suitable for Samhain are usually the black or dark red ones, so garnet, bloodstone, jet obsidian, smoky quartz would all work great for Samhain. So if you don't have an altar or you have a hidden altar, you can also just wear those colors. For example, just wear black, for example, scarlet, brown, very seasonal colors anyway, so it's very easy for a closet witch to celebrate Samhain. Another thing is you could visit a cemetery and lay flowers on the graves, or in general just take your time and show your honor and respect to the ones that have passed before us. And of course you can do divination on this day. So if you are new, I don't recommend trying divination out by yourself. You can also honor your past loved ones by offering a Sorry, my camera died, so I had to quickly charge it for like 30 minutes. Because the sun's already setting here, so I hope the lighting is okay. Also, a good idea would be to definitely write down your experience and your plans into your Book of Shadows. I've made a video about the Book of Shadows recently. I'll link it down below or somewhere in the screen if I can figure out how to. Unless I missed something, this should be it for this video. And of course, as usual, feel free to comment if you have any questions, or you can also message me on Instagram. I'll leave all the links down below. I'll also link my Etsy shop, so in case you want to check out some crystal bracelets or malas, you can do that as well. Blessed be, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.